Angelina, with the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hawa. Today we're doing a meal prep video. So yeah, I've been trying to do a meal prep video for months, y'all. Like, I want to show you guys what I eat and how I've been trying to navigate. In the beginning, the first month, y'all, it was so hard. I did not know how to go about it. And in the beginning, I wanted to do 3 meals for the week, but 3 meals is really a lot. It's a hassle. I try to make my meal preps between an hour and a half to 2 hours. And also, just to let you guys know, I do have IBS, so I have irritable bowel syndrome. I've been struggling with it my whole life. Like, after doing a lot of research and figuring out, like, why am I always having, you know, gut issues? Why is my gut health not so, like, aligned? I'm just learning about what works for me. And yeah, and I hope this video helps somebody else out there, because trust me, I've done my own research on YouTube about how to incorporate more vegetables, you know, at least 2 times a day. Sometimes it's hard to eat vegetables all the time. Like, you lose weight the first time and it gets easy at one point, but after a while it's hard. It's hard, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna meal prep for you guys right now. We're working with shrimp. We're working with chicken breast. I like having the chicken breast in the house because I can easily make a salad, and I'm trying to, like, cut down on my calorie intake. I feel like I do overeat. I do over snack, but I need to learn also how to have bigger lunches and bigger breakfasts, so I'm not over snacking. And then when I come home at night and it's past 9 o'clock and I'm overindulging, like, these are certain things I'm trying to, like, establish. Y'all, let's just get started, because I'm talking about health and this video is about meal prepping. So we about to get started. We're gonna get started with the easiest thing and then move on to the next. All right, y'all, stay tuned, because we about to learn something. You about to learn something.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom comes to New York to shelf. Now my bitch is digital Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go down, no maybe. In the meantime, decide for what I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of reach.
anyway, this is the end of the meal prep video. It's not your typical traditional meal prep video. I really did try. I got tired throughout. I even took a break and had dinner like towards the end. So when it came to like filming the zucchini part and all that, I kind of got real tired. So I use these containers. I can try to link them on from Amazon. Everything's from Amazon, y'all. Like, y'all know everything that I barely had time to go to the convenience store, so everything literally is from Amazon. The groceries are from Amazon. The containers are from Amazon. Not the other containers. These are just collective containers. But these is what I usually bring to work with me, and I've been using these for a long time. They last a long time. I've been using this since my FIT days. It is pretty heavy, but it does the job. I have this. This comes in a pack of 5, I believe. I broke 2. I have another one that's left. I think, like, yeah, I have another one that's blue, so it's like a turquoise, and they all come in different colors. But I recommend this for those who are meal prepping. There are other ones that have, like, you know, the dividers and all that, the ones that are good for snacks. The thing about me, I'm learning not to like over snack, because I do have a like snack, like I do binge each way. I do binge each way. Like, maybe I'm not getting enough calories throughout the day, and when I come back home, I'm snacking like crazy, especially weeknights, like when I'm working and come back home. Like, I don't eat enough, but that's why I'm trying to make sure my lunch is full packed, like when I make. But yeah, now that I have to be cautious. Like, I'm just learning about my body, and I hope this helps anybody out there that's struggling with like gut health, improving. In the last week, I've been taking my probiotics seriously, my magnesium seriously, my vitamin D seriously. I've been having neck issues. I don't know if I posted it on my page or this page, but I did have vitamin D deficiency the year before. I did vlog, but I never put that out there on the internet. But I did talk about my Instagram. I did have vitamin D deficiency, so from time to time I take my vitamin D pills very seriously. I stretched out this. I'm talking a lot, but like, I'm basically telling y'all, like, I need to make a whole overall female health video, female wellness video for colored girls, because I feel like there are things that there's not talked about that we should be taking. There are people who talk about it, like the holistic community, they talk about it, but like there are certain things that we're not aware that we need, and we really need these things like vitamin D. We need to take our probiotics. We need to be taking digestive enzymes. If you have a hard time breaking down food, like if you can't learn your body, you will always struggle with, you know, gut issues, inflammation, all kind of things. You know, a lot of people struggle with eczema, and that's also like linked to nutrition. So there's a lot of things out there that, you know, cause us these things. Everything starts in the gut. Like, as long as you like get your gut health to the place it should be, you should be fine. But all illnesses start in the gut. You know, mental health plays a big role in your gut health too. I also learned this, that the root chakra is linked to your gut in a way too. The root chakra is linked to your mental health. I know I'm talking a lot and I'm getting real deep, but like there's a lot of, that's why I'm like so big on nutrition. People are like, oh, why are you so interested? But food is very important. We gotta take care of our health. We have to make sure we're active, and it's okay to miss a week. I didn't work out this week, y'all. Like, I wanted to work out today, but I was running around doing laundry, and it's like, it's okay to take a week off and get back on your routine, y'all. Like, try to make at least 2 meals. You know, you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching my video. Bye.
Angelina.